Hello everyone, recipe for green smoothie. Simple and delicious recipe for a green smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach leaves, fresh and washed. Half cucumber, peeled and sliced. Half green apple, cored and sliced. Half banana, peeled. Half lemon, juiced. 1 cup coconut water or water. Ice cubes optional. Instructions. Number 1. Prepare ingredients. Wash the spinach leaves thoroughly. Peel and slice the cucumber. Core and slice the green apple. Peel the banana. Number 2. Combine ingredients. In a blender, add the spinach leaves, sliced cucumber, green apple, banana and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Number 3. Add liquid. Pour in the coconut water or regular water into the blender. Number 4. Blend. Blend the ingredients until you achieve a smooth consistency. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more liquid as needed. Number 5. Adjust consistency. If you prefer a colder smoothie, you can add ice cubes and blend again until the ice is crushed and the smoothie is well chilled. Number 6. Taste and adjust. Taste the smoothie and adjust the flavor as needed. You can add more lemon juice for acidity or a touch of honey for sweetness. Number 7. Serve. Pour the green smoothie into glasses and serve immediately. Optional add-ins: chia seeds for added nutrition and texture, Greek yogurt for a creamier consistency and protein boost, mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious green smoothie. Thank you.